Hello everyone, my name is Fire here, and today I am going to quickly go over how to install and use the VRChat Creator Companion. This is, since it's still, I'm pretty sure fairly new, pretty sure still in beta, um, some of this stuff may change, but most of it is true to it right now. If it updates and have like a new UI or anything, then I'll go over it again. So first thing you want to do is go to vrchat.com/home/download, or just go into VRChat, log in, and then click on the download right here. Then you want to click on the Creator Companion, download the Creator Companion. When and you want to click on this, and it'll install the setup window. I already have it, so installed. But basically, you just go through the installer and you know download the Creator Companion. You can still use SDKs if you want to. They're not gonna obligate you to it, but I'm pretty sure following one of the things that they posted on on their on their fucking I'm pretty sure based on the thing that they put onto their VRChat onto the Discord, they are going to make you use the Creator Companion. But for now, 3.0 SDK is still out and the World SDK is still out. You also have the other one, which is SDK2, which I don't know why you would want to use it still. But yeah. So once you go through the Creator Companion setup, I'm pretty sure they allow you to immediately start it up, but if you don't have it already started up, just type it in here because they're not going to make a desktop icon for it. So yeah, so now you have once you have the Creator Companion, it wouldn't look something like this. I have a bunch of projects that I use. So, but basically what it'll ask you is to create something new, and it will look like this. So click on new on project over here. Click on add will allow you to add your previous projects. So let's say you created something using Unity, then importing all of that stuff. You can just add it in there. So just click on, let's say, avatar test. Click on select folder. It's going to add the avatar test into here, but since it already has it, it's probably not going to put that in there. It takes a while to import in there, but it wouldn't take that long. But when you're making new projects, just click on new here. You click on avatar, world, or Udon Sharp. I have not made an Udon Sharp one before since I don't know what it means. But we have avatars and we have worlds. Yeah, I think I know what that means though. Um, but yeah, just click on either one and then name it, add a location of where you want it to be, and then click create, and it should automatically make one. It will bring you to a screen that looks like this. It'll show you the things that are in here and what their current version is. You can also add stuff onto it, like the client simulator, Udon Sharp, and Worlds for avatars and for Worlds. I think it would apply more to Worlds to add in something like the uh, VRChat SDK avatars and VRChat SDK. Yeah, so that's that stuff. Show you what it means for stuff like Worlds. It looks something like this. It has the base, World SDK, package resolver, client simulator, all of that in here. You don't need to do anything with it. But if you probably saw, let me go to something else. So you see on projects like this, it says current version, version to that the current actual version. So the version you're on and the version that is currently available, you click and you can update it. You don't have to remove something from a project and forget to update a SDK since a new one came out, you can just go ahead and click the update button and it'll update the things to what it currently is right now. I think this was one of the better things for VRChat to add instead of like a regular, you have to go through a bunch of steps just to update something. So it's one of the good things, and you can always make backups just in case one fails. Um, and it's good if you're going for like a big something huge on avatars. You always want to have a backup of something that already works. So once the you're finished with the avatar, or your avatar is made, it's imported, but something and something just ends up breaking, always make a backup. It doesn't have to go through your files. So you just make a backup. It'll make a backup in probably the same path. I'm pretty sure it's in the same path. You can refresh the project, open the project. You can open the folder to see what's in it. So yeah, you can see stuff like that. And there's also stuff like settings. So let's say you want to change something like the window size, make it so that it would um, make automatic reports to VRChats for testing reasons. Show where backups actually go. I'm gonna change that to here. Projects. So this is where your backups would go. And you can make your own package, your own user package, and you can add them into there. Just so let's say you have a certain package that you use for like certain projects or something, or like your own custom thing. So actually, I can use one as an example. So there's the locomotion fix. So if you let's say you want to add the locomotion fix, you go here, go to wherever you have your locomotion fix, and you can add your own user package through there, and it's pretty nice. But with that said, I'm pretty sure that's everything. There's also things you can use to learn about certain stuff. They have all of their materials here, so you don't have to search it up. And then there's the VRC quick launcher. Will launch multiple profiles in the same instance of VRChat while also providing an interface to modify the debug options. So that's basic. That's basically it for the VRChat Creator Companion. How to use it, and what to use, and when you open up a project, it will just open up Unity like normal. With that said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.